morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Ed, coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Monday, March 18th, 2019. The weather today in Schaumburg will be 43 degrees with cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Bulls lost last night against the Kings with a score of 102 to 129. Clubs meeting today are Intramurals basketball will meet at 11:15 in the gym. First grade Mechanical Engineering Club will meet at 11:15 in room 103. Hoover Harmonics will meet from 3 to 3:45 in the music room. Second grade Dance Club will meet from 3 to 4 in room 107. Battle of the Books grades 5 and 6 will meet from 3 to 4 in room 119. Comic Book Club Session 2 grade 3 will meet from 3 to 4 in room 208. Gems Club grades 5 and 6 will meet from 3 to 4 in room 206. Partners Club will meet from 3 to 4 in the LRC. Today's announcements are: please watch this video on the Spanish speech contest held through District 54.
¿Hablas español? Si la respuesta es sí, este evento es para ti.
Tal vez puedes pensar que sea fácil, pero no lo es. Piénsalo, el inmigrante se puede votado puede tener su familia, y esta familia puede ser su hijo o su hija.
Todos los estudiantes del distrito de tercero a octavo grado pueden participar.
Muchas gracias a las personas que me han apoyado, especialmente a mi familia, perdón, mi amor. Bueno, a ustedes, durante esta etapa difícil de mi vida.
Me encantó esta experiencia porque me ayudó mucho con mi español y además me dio una gran confianza en mí misma. Este año participaré otra vez.
La forma para participar está disponible en el sitio de internet del distrito en ambos idiomas en un Google Drive. La fecha de entrega para participar es el 12 de abril. ¡Te esperamos!
Now a message from the happiness team.
Hi Hoover staff and students. Remember last week when I introduced that new happiness tactic of the doubler? This is the tactic where you relive a happy and positive experience by writing down all the details.
So, did you know in participating in this activity you change your brain's chemistry? When you're writing down all those details, you are reliving a positive emotional experience, therefore making you more happier and more positive.
Okay, so for practicing today, I want you to get out a scratch piece of paper. It could be in your assignment notebook or just a loose leaf sheet of paper. Just get that out real quick. And today we're just going to be practicing again, except instead of speaking our details, you're just going to make a quick bullet point list.
So I want you to write down all the memories from that event, and I want you to think about how those memories made you feel and think about exactly what you did in that moment. So after announcements, you can finish your bullet list.
Thank you, happiness team. Have a mysterious, magical Monday.